Look at this exotic bird in its natural habitat. Let's see what happens when we get up close. It's about 1 foot long. Its beak is very curved. I need to take it to the vet. Those hairs. Does it even have a nose? Let's look closely. And it does. Let's see inside its cage. Not much to see. Battery's low. Don't you think about it. I had to. Back away. No reaction. Let's get the bell. Excuse me for a second. Please do not have this on a high volume because I'm about to ring a bell. And if you do, then be ready to be deaf. Wait, is that right? Yep. I dare you to talk, parrot. The parrot will talk. Hello. Come on, what's up? We're talking today. Want your bell? You want it? Oh, I love this bell. Ow! Ow, my foot. Oh, crap. Crap. I don't mean it. Oh, yes. By the way, a while ago when I said hello, I was just trying to make it talk. Please, I beg of you, do not step. Whoa, 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 you scared me. Don't. And hold it. What's the big? Oh my god, again. Oh, get your bell again. This is the last time. Trust me, if you dare, I'm not afraid to put the bell up. I'm not afraid. Oh my god. Does it have rabies? Can birds have rabies? Oh, wait a second. I can tell that's like that. Oh my god. I'm just gonna let you take the bell. Don't you think about it. Good, don't dare even try. Good. You dare. Don't you think about it. Okay, that's it.